How to answer, tell me about yourself, no work experience. Magbibigay ako ng sample ng mga sagot ko dun sa how to answer, tell me something about yourself if you have no work experience. Hindi porket wala kang official work experience, wala ka nang pwedeng i-share dun sa tell me something about yourself na makakatulong sa pag-apply mo. So, ito yung sample lang sa akin. So, I work part-time for a store. Hindi porket wala kang official work experience, wala ka nang pwedeng i-share dun sa tell me something about yourself na makakatulong sa pag-apply mo. So, ito yung sample lang sa akin. I work part-time for a store owned by a family friend. I sold second-hand goods and pre-loved items. I manage a small online store. I tried buying and selling health and beauty products. So, kung na-try mo na yung magbe-member ka, tapos magbebenta ka ng products, okay lang yun. I offered tutorial service in our area. Tapos, I did technical support and computer-related work for family friends who own businesses. O kaya, isa pang ginawa ko, I did freelance writing. I performed data entry tasks. Tapos I was working as an on-call personal assistant. I was working as an on-call caregiver para sa mga kamag-anak na ina-assist ko. I was working on-call as a liaison officer para sa mga family members namin na matanda na. So, ako yung tagalakad ng mga papeles nila. So, lahat ng tinutulungan ko in the process, pwede kong i-bring up as an unofficial job, whether it's family friends, volunteer ka for yung family ng friends mo, or you're simply assisting mga friend ko dun sa gym, mga friend ko sa church, so iba-ibang organization, friend ko sa school, that will help. So, you can add that to your experience. Kahit hindi siya official experience, part pa rin siya ng experience mo. And then you can relate that to yung ina-applyan mong trabaho, which in this case, call center or BPO work. Bukas ulit.